Hello, this is Al from Open Source channel. Welcome again, new episode on how to. Today I'm going to show you how to install a copy of Transmission on your Raspberry Pi. So you can have a torrent box, easy, inexpensive, and it can run 24 hours a day to download all your torrents. Now don't forget, now you can follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, Google Plus, and Facebook. And soon enough, it's going to be, of course, on the website. Now, without any delay, I'm going to log into my Raspberry Pi. And I'm going to log in with the default settings. Login is Pi, and the password is Raspberry. Right, I also got a text file with some notes for me. I'll try to edit. This is the first installation idea that I had, but I'm going to do the catted version. This one in particular that I wrote was for adding an extra external hard disk, but the one I'm going to show you today is going to be the one using the internal SD card. So anyway, let's start. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to run sudo apt-get update and then sudo apt-get upgrade. Now I'm going to do the upgrade and I'm going to press enter. I'm going to press Y to accept or to continue. Right, many subscribers have many times told me that the voice, the recording, the audio is not quite good. Sometimes a lot of people wrote me saying that my voice is not really, they don't understand what I'm saying. And not so long, a few days ago, one of the subscribers, Brian Berger, I think the name is, suggests that I changed that, changed the actual microphone. I did ask him back what his suggestion was, and he recommended Behringer C1U. So whoever follows me on social media knows that I have lately upgraded my microphone with the hope, anyway, that this audio, this recording, yes, I'm using now. I hope it's nice and clear. As you can see here, this is the post between me and Mr. Berger. And yes, I already bought it. The microphone was for sale on Amazon for £43. I managed to get a little bit cheaper from someone in the local store. So, well, I'm quite pleased. I hope the actual audio is good, and whoever follows me is also pleased with the actual results. Alright, the installation shouldn't be that long now. I should say the actual upgrade. So after this one, here we go. Now we're going to do the installation of Transmission on the Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to write sudo apt-get install transmission-daemon. And I'm going to press enter. I'm going to press Y and press enter again. Alright, so the installation of transmission is completed. Now, as you can see here from the list, I can make some new folders on the hard drive, or I can go to the next step. And this is exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to, let's say I'm going to edit the settings.json, and I'm going to add my logins and password and the actual whitelist for the IPs. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste the line. That is sudo space nano etc transmission daemon settings JSON, and I'm going to press enter. Alright, so now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find RPC password, username, and whitelist. The first three lines with incomplete directory and complete directory, I'm not going to do that, and I'm going to also leave it as disabled for the incomplete. Here is the RPC password, and I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to change it with my password. In this case, to make it easier for my installation, for this tutorial, I'm going to use password, but make sure that you use a strong password. The port is 9091, and I'm also going to change the whitelist to my internal IP. So in this case, it's going to be 192.168. Now I'm going to put star. So whatever part of the IP will change, I'm covered. And I'm going to put, after the star, I'm going to put a comma 127.0.0.1. I'm also going to change the password. There we go. And I'm going to write OSC tutorials. Now I'm going to type Control X. I'm going to press Control X and Y to save it, and then press enter again and exit. Now I'm going to reload transmission. And I'm going to go to the browser with the IP of the Raspberry Pi. Now, if you don't know how to, if you don't know the actual IP of your Raspberry Pi, all you got to do, or you can actually, just in case you want to copy from my tutorial, is hostname space -i, and it's going to tell you the IP of the Raspberry. In my case, it's 192.168.1.92. So it's going to be 92 there. And the port, as I earlier mentioned, is 9091. And I'm going to press enter. Here we go. Authentication is required. The username is OSC Tutorials, the one I have chosen earlier on in the installation. And the password is going to be password for me. Of course, for you, it's going to be totally different, whatever you've chosen. Here we go. Now we are inside the transmission web client. I'm going to the Raspberry Pi website, and I'm going to copy a link, or the torrent link, to download one of the files so I can show you that it's working. Here we go. We're going to Raspberry Pi. I'm going to downloads. Of course, this is not a step you got to do. I'm just going to show you that is downloading the actual file using a torrent link. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it inside transmission web client. There we go. I'm going to press on this one, and I'm going to paste the actual link, and I'm going to press upload. Here we go. The upload is starting. It's creating the files, connecting. At the beginning, well, torrent is very known. Sometimes they go fast, sometimes they don't. Sometimes it's really slow start. So be patient. It will start, and will start the load. You will see in a few minutes. Oh, sorry, a few seconds. Here we go. I started. A few kilobytes per second. One of the last one I done for testing was around between 6 and 7 megabyte per second. Yes, megabyte, no megabits. There we go. We are around 5 and 7 megabyte. And that's it, really. Thanks again anyway for follow me in this new tutorial. I really enjoy making them, and I hope you enjoy it too. And don't forget, you can help me by sharing and liking my videos. The more you share and like, the more videos I can do. And as I said, I'll next time I'll start the new process of installing my new website. And the website is going to be mainly for the business part of it, but I'm going to share more next time. Take care.